rising above the ground, pointing to the sky. Canny Elevator 288 meters world highest elevator test tower. A living dream of Chinese elevator industry. Break the record of industrial height and speed. Canny Elevator 288 meters world highest elevator test tower. The strength of Canny to lead the development of elevator industry. The confidence of Canny to be a world-class elevator brand. The first step of Canny to lead the world. Test tower has a land area 26,000 square meters. Maximum height 288 m. Can test 21 meters per second super high-speed elevator. Truly the height of China, the height of the world, and the speed of the world. Test tower total height 288 meters. 20 meters underground. 268 meters above ground. 2 observation decks at height 201 meters and 240 meters. The first tower to combine elevator test and sightseeing. Test tower has 9 shafts, including 1 panorama shaft and 8 testing shafts. T1 and T2 shafts is for testing 10 meters per second 2,000 kilogram elevators. T3 and T4 shafts is for testing 12 meters per second 2,000 kilogram elevators. T5 shaft is for testing 21 meters per second 2,000 kilogram elevator. T6 shaft is reserved for vertical transport of oversized mechanical parts to the top floor. T7 shaft is for testing large tonnage cargo elevator. T8 shaft is for testing 6 meters per second 3,600 kilogram double-deck elevator. Reached industry-leading technical level. T9 shaft is for testing 5 meters per second 2,000 kilogram panorama lift. The panorama lift can directly reach top observation deck. East side of test tower is escalator testing area. You can install and test public traffic escalator with maximum height of 50 meters. South side of test tower is technical building, national recognized enterprise technical center, an innovative office platform. Through constant self-innovation and self-breakthrough, Canny Elevator serves one and another landmark buildings rising from the ground. High above the cities, Canny has witnessed the prospering of elevator industry. Canny Elevator Test Tower carries the dream of Chinese high-tech elevator industry and continuously perfects it. This video in honor of Canny 20th anniversary. Canny Elevator, global top 10 elevator manufacturer.